In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a view in Airtable. We'll start by opening the base that contains the view you want to tailor. Make sure you're in the right table inside that base, since each table can have its own set of views. Remember, you're not changing your actual records, just how they appear in this particular view, which keeps your data safe while you focus on what matters. On the left sidebar, choose the view you want to work with. Grid View gives you a familiar spreadsheet-style layout, ideal for quick edits across many fields. Calendar View places records on a timeline using a date field, perfect for deadlines or schedules. Kanban stacks records into lanes based on a single select or status field, great for tracking progress. Click Filter to narrow things down to exactly what you need. Pick a field, set a condition, and enter a value. You can stack multiple filters to refine results, like filtering by a specific status and a date range. If your list feels too narrow, remove or toggle a filter to widen the results again. Filters affect only this view, so other views remain untouched. Next, click Sort to organize the records. Choose a field and set ascending or descending order. Add additional sorts to create tiebreakers, such as sorting by status and then by priority. Sorting changes only the display order, not the content of your records, which makes it safe to experiment until the list feels intuitive. Use Group to split your records into clear sections. Select a field such as status, priority, or team member, and Airtable will create a group for each value. You can collapse groups you don't need right now and drag them to reorder. Grouping makes it easy to scan your workload and spot bottlenecks at a glance. Click Hide Fields to control which columns appear. Turn off anything that isn't useful in this workflow so the view stays focused. This doesn't delete fields from your base. It simply hides them here. You can always bring a field back if you need it later. Select Color to apply record coloring based on a field or conditions. Use color to highlight statuses, owners, or deadlines so important items stand out immediately. Finally, drag column headers to rearrange their order, and drag the edges to resize widths. Keep critical fields on the left, and give wider columns to long text so details don't get cut off. There's nothing extra to save. Airtable stores your view customizations automatically. Your settings stay with this view, so you and your team can return to the same layout anytime. Thanks for watching.